I don't. You're right. I have no idea who I'm talking to. You're acting like you're like this big star, and I have no idea who you are. And no, I don't know who the Joe Anderson is. I just want you guys to leave me alone.
If you would just listen,
Congrats.
then you would know.
I am listening. I'm literally repeating back what you are saying. The Joe Anderson, and I just want you guys to leave. And I can't wait. You called the cops, great. I can't wait to meet them. And I'll tell them that you guys have been harassing me and yelling at me and leaving in my car.
Look, you're acting like there's something average about my husband here, okay?
There is. He's a random average guy.
Okay, let me tell you one thing, okay? Okay. There is nothing average about my husband, if you know what I mean.
I mean, she's telling the truth. I mean, I have the Johnson, and then
okay, I don't need to hear that. Okay, I do not need to hear that at all.
I can show you here.
No, stop. All right, I'm actually gonna leave now. I'm actually gonna leave.